welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to crochet this motif. It uses double crochets, double crochet 3 together, single crochets and chains, so nothing complicated. This is the right side, this is the wrong side, but obviously you can turn each round and this way you will not have a right side or a wrong side. You can use colors, you can use plain or solid color or self striping yarn, totally up to you. Some yarn, a 4mm crochet hook. I think the thinner the yarn the better the motifs look like, but it's just a personal opinion. Yeah, nothing complicated. I hope you will enjoy it. If you are the diagram as usual and the very end of the video. If you're ready, grab a yarn, crochet hook, let's get to work. All right, we'll begin with a magic circle or magic ring. You can, if you don't like it, you can chain 6 and close them in a circle. So how I do the magic ring is tail towards me between the 2 fingers, go around like cross and secure, so holding from here and with my ring finger. So I dive under the first string, grab the second and pull through, turn my hand and holding everything together. See, I'm pinching these two and move them to the side. So I'm holding the tail and only now I tighten the loop and still holding everything together like so. Then I chain 1 and tighten it. This will not, I never count this the first one, it's just kind of the knot. So I need to put 24 double crochets into the circle, or like I said, chain 6, closing a loop, and we're gonna put 24 double crochets. Well, since I'm doing double crochets, I will have to count this first one. So chain 2 more, counts, the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. I need to add 23 more double crochets. 2, 3, and once you're done, slip stitch into the first double crochet or the third chain from the beginning to close this loop or round. Now I will pull. I don't need to close it, but I think when we make a magic ring, it's a little easier to manage the opening because the chains will pretty much are gonna stay there unchangeable. Here we can tighten it and or loosen it, and it kind of looks a little cleaner, but again, up to you. Now we need to put 3 double crochets together. So chain 2 counts as the first unfinished. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 unfinished, yarn over, pull through all 3, and we have 3 double crochets together. Chain 4 and 3 double crochets together into using the next 3 stitches. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the next stitch, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 4, yarn over, pull through all 4, chain 4, and this is how you will go all the way around using each stitch or every 3 stitches for the groups. Again, 3 together, chain 4, use the next 3, and once you've used the last 3, you will chain 4 and slip stitch into the top of this, the first one. And this is what we have. Slip stitch into the chain 4 arch, chain 3 counts as a double crochet. We need to have total of 7 double crochets in this arch, so we will add 6 more. The chain 3 counts as a double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain 1 and move into the next arch, 7 double crochets in that arch. And this is how you will go around: 7 double crochets into the arch, chain 1, move into the next arch, 7 double crochets in it, the way around. And once you put the last 7, chain 1 and slip stitch into the first. And this is what we have. Slip stitch into the next double crochet to the left, chain 3. This will count as a double crochet. 1 double crochet into the next 4, so as you can see we have total of 5, so we drop the first, drop the last, we have 5. Chain 3, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 3 and repeat starts. Drop the first one, 1 double crochet into the next 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, single crochet into the chain 1 space and repeat. Chain 3, drop the first, 1 double crochet into the next 5, the way around, and finishing off the round, chain 3, single crochet to the last chain 1 space, chain 3 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the beginning. That's what we got. For the next round, again we will slip stitch into the next, and this time we will chain 3 and put 1 double crochet into the next 2, so we went from 7 to 5, and now to 3, like so. Chain 3, single crochet into the first arch, chain 4, single crochet into the next arch, chain 3, and drop the first one, one double crochet into the next 3, like so, and the repeat starts. Chain 3, obviously drop the last one, single crochet into the first arch, chain 4, this yarn annoying, single crochet into the next arch, chain 3, skip first, 1 into double crochet into the next 3, this is how it looks like. Go all the way around and chain 3, slip stitch into the third chain from the beginning. Let's see. This is what we have. And last round, slip stitch into the next. And here at the very end we will put a let's start with a single crochet. So chain 1 and single crochet into the same spot, like so. So we need a single crochet here in the middle. Chain 3. What is wrong with this yarn? Single crochet into the arch, 4 double crochets into the next arch, into the chain 4 space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 3. We'll put 4 more double crochets into the same chain 4 arch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So single crochet into the next arch, chain 3, single crochet into the second double crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the next arch. Let's see. So this is what we're looking at. And now the repeat starts. Double crochet 4, chain 3, double crochet 4 into the chain 4 arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so on. Single crochet into the next arch, chain 3, single crochet into the second double crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the next arch, and 4 double crochets, chain 3, 4 double crochets into the chain 4 arch. Basically repeat everything. And to finish off this round, so once you've done these, single crochet into the arch, chain 3, and you will slip stitch into the single crochet, the very first one, chain 1, and pull a long tail. This is how it looks like unblocked, and there it is, this motif. So I'm assuming that if you are making you know, more of them, these will be the points where they connect, these two, so you can build on that. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. I will see you next time. Bye.